Ready to unlock the full potential of your crypto by connecting Crypto.com with your DeFi wallet? Let's dive right in. First, open your Crypto.com mat and navigate to the Accounts section, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Look for a tab labeled DeFi Wallet. Tap on the DeFi Wallet tab. You should now see an option to connect your Crypto.com map with your DeFi wallet. Select Connect to DeFi Wallet. Next, you will be prompted to install or open your DeFi wallet. Make sure you have the Crypto.com DeFi Wallet app already installed on your device. If you have it, tap Open DeFi Wallet. Your DeFi Wallet app will now open and display a connection request from the Crypto.com map. Review the request carefully and tap Connect. You might be asked to authorize the connection with your Crypto.com map using your passcode or biometrics. Complete this verification step. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Crypto.com map to your DeFi wallet. Now you can easily transfer cryptocurrencies between the two platforms, giving you access to all the benefits of DeFi. To transfer crypto, simply go back to the DeFi Wallet section in your Crypto.com app, select the crypto you want to transfer, and initiate the transfer process. You will see the option to send to your DeFi wallet. Explore staking, yield farming, and other DeFi opportunities. Happy DeFi!